Multiple meaning words have the same spelling and pronunciation, but have different meanings. Let's look at a couple of multiple meaning words. The first word is wave. I see a wave in the ocean. You could also say, I waved to my friend at the mall. Let's try the next one. Watch. I looked at my watch to see what time it was. Can you think of a sentence for the eyes that watch? That was pretty good. I watch my sons play soccer. That's what I think of when I think of watch. What about the word right? This looks like there is a 1 plus 2 equals 3. Wow, he must have got the problem right. He must have a really good teacher. I also see this looks like a shoe. This must be the right shoe. This shoe goes on the right foot. Can you think of a word for bowl? Can you think of a sentence for bowl? Sorry. Bowl. I eat cereal out of a bowl, but I like to go bowl with my family. What about orange? Can you think of a sentence for the fruit orange? Yum, I like to eat oranges. What about the color orange? My favorite color used to be orange. Whoa, bat! I see a bat, like in the book Stellaluna. I also see a bat here, like a baseball bat. I'd like you to pick one more of these words and write 2 sentences about the picture, just like we did with these pictures up here. Please remember capitals and periods and seesaw it to your teacher. Good luck!